Are Australians allowed to follow and practice their traditions and beliefs? Yes, but the traditions and beliefs must not violate any Australian laws. What is a referendum? A vote to change the constitution. Where should Australians get help from if they run into issues overseas? Any of the above. What name is a member of the House of Representatives referred as? Member of Parliament. When is Australia Day observed on? The 26th of January. What are you pledging to do with the Australia's democratic values when you become a citizen? To share them. What do people pledge to during the Australian citizenship ceremony? Obey all the Australian laws. Which state did the majority of early European settlers live in? New South Wales. How many Australian states are there?
6.
What does the acronym COAG stand for? Council of Australian Governments. Are people allowed to choose who they want to marry or not to marry? Yes, people have complete freedom on whether to marry or not to marry. Is the marriage with a minor legal in Australia? No, it is illegal in Australia. What was the Australian parliamentary democracy system founded on? Founded on the British system of government. Which of the following is the legal document containing fundamental rules of the Australian government? The Australian Constitution. Between which two cities is the Australian Capital Territory located? Melbourne and Sydney. Is it acceptable to incite people to break the law? No, it is illegal to do that. Is it true that memberships of the Army, Navy, and Air Force are open to both men and women? Yes, both men and women can join. How were the Australian colonies structured before 1901? The 6 British colonies were separate and self-governing. When may residents contact the local police for assistance? At any time. Which of the following is an example of freedom of speech in Australia? TV, radio, and newspapers can talk about any subjects, even controversial topics.